Hi teachers, it's Dawn Anderson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to modify your test banks and modify the quizzes that come from those test banks. So I am inside the Integrated Sciences 7 shell, and over here on the left hand side you can see the tab that says quizzes. This is going to take you to a page that shows you all the different quizzes that are used inside this shell. There are a lot of them. Up on the right you can click on Manage Test Banks. So these are those banks of questions. You can see 8.1, what are waves? And you can see that there are 30 questions in there. So you can go any of these banks and figure out what questions are in here. You could also add questions if you wanted, or remove questions if you didn't like them. So 12.3 electric currents. If I wanted to add a question, I could. If I wanted to delete the whole bank, I could do that too. But these are all the questions, so you can add questions to this bank if you would like to. The other thing you can do is change individual quizzes that pull things from these test banks. So if I go to my modules, maybe I am unhappy, I want this to be a 10-point quiz instead of a 5-point quiz. I could do that in a couple of different ways. So right here you can see all the things. The kids are allowed to take it 2 different times. They don't get to see the correct answers. It's worth 5 points. These are the directions. If I want to change those things, I click on Edit. Down here I can change a bunch of different things. So I could have them have unlimited attempts. I could let them see their answers if I wanted to. And then in here, this is how I would modify the questions. So this just means it's picking 5 questions, and each question is 1 point per question. So I could modify this if I wanted to. Maybe I want 10 questions, or maybe I want 5 questions, but I want them worth 2 points apiece. If I wanted to add another test bank to this, I would just click right here. These are pretty easy once you are used to the test banks and the quizzes. If you have any questions, make sure that you visit me during one of my Zoom sessions. They're right here next week and the week after.